Hi and welcome to 10lessons.net. This is a quick update on Bitcoin. We're doing very well on Bitcoin and I'm going to show you that in a minute. This is the 10 Lessons website, now live. If you wish to go into that, have a look. We have a free newsletter, a free trend update each week, so have a look and maybe subscribe. We can help you with that. We're going to go straight on to the Bitcoin chart now. This is live. Bitcoin's now showing $51,752. We got in somewhere back here, and as you can see, the gross profit to date is 9,872, and there's no reason to doubt that this isn't going to go even higher. Some say this could go to $400,000. Not today, but it's a great trade. Congratulations to everybody who got into this. Come into 10lessons.net and I'll show you how these setups work, the moving averages, the leading moving averages, and the professional tools.